Hello guys, so today I'm going to be making a video about the brand new Greenville car update we had. It was a very good update from what I heard so far. I haven't gotten to it yet because studying up a lot on the coronavirus. But today's update we will be reviewing the 2008 Dodge Durango, 2018 Audi A3, 2003 Volkswagen Beetle, which is a regular, 2000 Malibu, which is what I have in front of me, so a regular, 2019 Wrangler, which is a regular, and the 1967 Camaro, which unfortunately I do not have since I did not purchase the Classic Pass. And yes, that was my MacBook telling me that it was 9:45. I know, that's creepy. We're just gonna take them on a little drive and see how they do. So far, the handling is okay. Oh, he's gonna be a criminal. Okay, then. Thanks for letting me know. I think the Greenville developers have kind of gotten lazy with updating the current version. Updates are just been so small lately. And the etc. Oh, I've had better handling, but if I had a choice, it would not be this car at all. Nope. I'll have to figure, I think it's only a couple thousand. We'll just go up to here. So now I'm going to get out a new vehicle and we'll drive that. And do as in-depth of a test drive because this is going to take a while. We got GVRP. Parking style. I kind of left the official GVRP because none of the staff are interested in me, so wait a bit before performing more actions. So we have a Volkswagen Beetle, it looks like, very nice. Looks like they've gotten a bit lazy with tuning as well. For the revamp, I've heard they're gonna have better sounding cars, but are mostly out of the revamp. But they made the Greenville 3 versions, which I don't like the versions in 3 because they're not as realistic. Alright. Alright, so, just heading back, and the car is real nice. It handles well. Very interesting, but, see what's I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna save that one for last. Okay, so that will be that, and we're gonna into the next. People are weird as hell. Alright, despawn that one. Few seconds. Alright, so this is the 2008 Dodge Durango. Very interesting vehicle. Very nice vehicle upon first glance. Oh, they're coming to harass me as usual. So the Durango was nice, so we're gonna drive it back to spawn and spawn in the next car. Oh, I think they're chasing me. I might do a collab stream with someone tonight, or I'm not gonna really. Run, run, run away. Alright, so the, looks like someone's, stopping by. What up? Her name is Soul Surfer _ Horse Love. Very interesting. And back to the video. Alright, good, very good. Alrighty, so, this car was very nice in the test drive. So far it's my favorite, but we still have a few to go. Just a few. That's all. Just a few. Respawn vehicle. Oh, we only have 2 more. Next is the Audi A3. Just very nice. Oh, this thing gets up and goes. Should I start doing it more like how I did it last time, or how I did it this time? Oh, it only tops out at 130. What the? Alrighty, so that will conclude this Audi, Audi. So very nice. I like it. Very good car. And then the last is we have the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. My uncle has the 2015 version of it. Actually, it is 14. It has the body color all the way around, and he has the same wheels. A nice car. We're just going to take this one on a little bit of a drive, then come back and kind of finish this video quickly because I had stuff to do. My school, what? I shouldn't talk about that quite yet. We'll talk about it later. Oof. Oof. Alright, that will conclude the Testa drive-in for today. So, I did want to let you guys know my school is closed due to the coronavirus. We do not have any confirmed cases in our district, but we have I think 3 cases in our county right now, so as a precaution, April break starts April 3rd, I believe, which is a Friday. It's a Friday, so we'll probably have off through April break, then come back. That's what I'm thinking will happen, but we may be out the whole rest of the year. I do not know at this time. But we will have online stuff to do. I'll try to push videos out in the morning because I know we have crowds that like morning videos. I will try to do that for you guys if possible, but if not, I can't. We'll see if we can do that, but anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed the update video. And we will see you guys in the next one. I'll try to pull up a stream later, maybe. We'll see what we can do. But, right, bye. Just as my thing broke.